What's going on, guys? Sergeant Detectives. Welcome to another video on my channel. So I actually did start the video before, but I had the wrong ISO file, so I'm going to be redoing the video. But what we're going to be doing is installing Windows XP to a virtual machine. I know you guys requested the installation for Android TV. However, I do not have a way to get it to work. I am not very. I don't know a lot about Android. Like, I do, but I don't know the kernel. I don't know how to run it. I'm going to be doing some research on that, and it's a learning experience for me, which is nice. That's why I want to do these types of videos. Also, big shout out to Rovis. His channel will be in the description below. He's been helping me a lot. He's probably I'm hoping he'll help me make the thumbnail for this video when he made the thumbnail for my last video. I will be uploading every Tuesday and Thursday and still doing live streams on Sunday. So, hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so what we're going to be doing, as I said, we're going to be installing this. So let's go ahead and do this. So we want to do, yeah, I was trying to do Android TV, but it didn't work out too well. So this is what we want. No, that's not the file we want. I forgot. This is the one we want. There we go. Windows XP Professional. I do not have a product key, and I will have to find one, so I'll do that in a moment. Sorry. Virtual machines, Windows XP Pro. How do you even spell professional? Profesh, I-O-N-A-L. Yeah, I'm not very good at spelling, apparently. Excuse me. Oh, it didn't do it. Oh, I just deleted it, didn't I? Whatever. Windows XP Pro Fesh, I-O-N-A-L. Alright, so we're going to click OK. 40 gigs should be enough. I actually want to do this into a single file, so it's, trust me, 512 gigs of RAM is all it really needs. I could give it 4 gigs. It'd run a lot better, but setup is inspecting your computer's performance. Alright, so now it's running some stuff. I would presume it's running the installation files. Yep, there we go. Setup is starting Windows. Now, the reason I want to do these videos is because I want to have a learning experience for me. Now, I love computers. I know a lot about them. I know how to build one. I know how to take them apart and how to fix them to certain degrees. Obviously, I don't know everything, and there's people out there with a lot more knowledge than me. Obviously, that's usually how life works. The reason I want to do these videos is so I can learn, so you guys can help me in the comments below. And I like doing videos. I'd like to install operating system with you guys, maybe even do live streams on it. Even destroying operating systems, that's even more fun. So, alright, so the setup looks like it's formatting the disk, I would presume. It looks like it, because it's, yep, partition, and now it's installing. So once we get to the installation screen, like the original installation screen, I'm not going to let you guys sit through all this, but once we get through the installation screen of Windows XP, then I'll start the video up again. Oh, I remember all of this stuff. The old-fashioned Windows XP. It's actually my first OS I used. Well, behind Windows 98, I think is what I used first. I don't really remember. All I know is I had like a Pentium 4 or something like that. It was an okay processor. It wasn't the most fastest thing in the world. That was a Pentium 3 that I had with my Windows 98 machine. And then when I upgraded my computer, I had like a Dell, I want to say Inspiron, but it was a desktop. It was a pre-built, obviously. And it had maybe an HD card, one of those Radeon HD cards. I'm not 100% sure. It's been forever since I've even looked at a thing. I'd have to look at the specs and stuff up. Stay up to date. Windows Update provides you with critical software updates and hardware support for Files XP. For Files XP? What the hell is wrong with me? Support files for Windows XP, and setup gives you opportunity to ensure that you have the latest software and install Windows quickly and successfully. For corporate customers, they have a great improvements in system preparation tools as well as unattended setups. That's actually kind of cool. Windows XP was probably my most childhood operating system. I used Windows XP for the longest time. And I need to find a product key, right? Luckily, watch this. Watch this. So let's go to my other monitor. You want to see how cool I am? Look at that. I have a Windows XP professional product keys. And you guys can use these if you want. I'll even put a link in the description below. So I have, which version of Windows XP do I have? I don't remember which one I'm using. I think I'm using SP3. So let's over to the other monitor so I can try a couple. I'm going to go ahead and input it so you guys don't have to sit here and watch me type it in. Look at that. You see how quick I typed that in? Anyway. That should work. Look at that. So yeah, if you guys, I'll actually put this as a Google Doc file so you guys can share it. Because I'm pretty sure they don't support Windows XP anymore, so you don't even have to worry about the product key. But trust me, these product keys come in handy, especially if you're doing something like I'm doing. So I'm actually looking on my phone right now at my installing Windows 8.1 to a virtual machine. It's only got 4 views, and it's almost been up for an hour. That's sad. This is the thing with YouTube. You really gotta try. Like, you gotta interest your viewers and stuff. I have 1,000 and what now? 100. I have 1,096 subscribers, so I'm not really sure who. They probably don't. It probably just doesn't show up on their feed or something. I know a couple people have probably watched this, but it's got 4 views, and I'm pretty sure one's from me because I like to watch my videos. I know that sounds weird, but it's nice to watch my videos because it shows how far I've gotten. It's like watching my first video ever with my freaking hair. I got too much freaking hair. I'm hoping my channel kicks on soon. It's been kicking up quite a bit. Like, it's been blowing up a little bit because I did my 1,000 subscribers special 3 weeks ago, and I had 1,005 subscribers then, and literally 3 weeks later, I have 1,096. It doesn't really sound like much, but it's more of an achievement than you guys think. Oh, I remember this screen, the boot up screen when I had my CRT monitor. I'd always see this every time I turn on. I really miss Windows XP. I loved Windows XP. I'm going to do a full-on review on Windows XP. That's going to be the video for next week because I really do like Windows XP. This video won't be uploaded till Thursday because I'm doing videos Tuesday and Thursday. My setup looks really good right now. Because what I have right now is I have it so my monitor is mounted to the wall, and I haven't done cable management because I'm getting a new keyboard, so I don't have to, because I'm going to use zip ties and stuff, I don't want to have to unzip tie everything. My setup's going to look really clean. I want to get like wall raceways and stuff. You guys heard that right? Oh, that brings back so many memories. Oh, that's awesome. I want to do a couple of reviews. I want to do one with Windows XP, Windows 10, Windows 7, probably Windows 2000. What I want to call it is a retro review when I do older operating systems, and then when I do like a fairly newer operating system, it's just going to be a review, like Windows 10 review. What I want to do is start a series called OS review, where I just review it, and then for older operating systems, it's going to be retro review, and then whatever the operating system is. If you guys like that idea. Your computer might be at risk. That was quick. No, don't cancel. No, don't cancel. Oh, crap, I didn't want to cancel that. Pretty sure... Oh, God, floppy disk, that, right. I think that's the... Is that the disk? I remember those sounds. No, install. Please install. I gotta change to freaking... Yeah, that's what I want. Oh, you can go pretty far. 1920 by 1080. Look at that. Yeah, Windows XP. Yeah, I gotta do a review on Windows XP. That's definitely gonna happen. I'm not gonna lie on that. My computer. Oh, yeah. Oh, I missed this so much. So I'm not gonna get too in-depth with it, but I'm gonna mess around with it before I end the video, because I'm gonna be doing a review on it anyway. Let me see. Oh, wait, is the internet enabled? I'm curious. I don't think it is. But if it is, that'd be awesome. It should be. I don't know why it wouldn't be. Holy crap, it is. You know what's gonna look really weird is when I look up my YouTube channel. Oh, I might have to download a newer. Oh, that's so weird seeing my YouTube channel on Windows XP. That's awesome. Imagine looking at my YouTube channel. It shows up. Not very well, but it shows up. Look at that. That is awesome. None of my thumbnails are showing for some reason. Yeah, this is really messed up. Oh, wait, you know what we could download? Mozilla Firefox, I think. Does Mozilla Firefox still support Windows XP? I think it still does. Don't look it. I'm not entering my email address. Oh, I remember this screen when you were installing stuff. Yep. I definitely need to do a review on this. I might actually record this after this video after I edit it and then have it all ready. Because I want to add a lot of editing into that video. Very tempting. Transfer rate, 2.07 megabytes a second. On my computer when I'm transferring stuff from my USB 3 flash drive supported and my USB 3 header, basically, because the thing from the front I/O is plugged into the header on my motherboard. I get like 100 something megs now. That failed miserably. Anyway, yes, I want to use Firefox as my default browser. Look at that. Sort by. Oh, arrange icons by. Yeah, go ahead and. Yep, finish. Mozilla Firefox. Look at that. This is actually not a supported version. They updated Mozilla Firefox a while ago. Now let's see if we can go to my YouTube channel. YouTube.com. Yep, they even support the new layout. Sweet. Sergeant's Tech Tips. There's my channel. Wow, that's awesome. That don't need to play. That is awesome that I can actually look at my YouTube channel on Windows XP. That's so weird looking at right now. That is very weird. Well, guys, I'm going to be doing a review on Windows XP, and if you guys want me to start doing this OS review, like, series, let me know in the comments below. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike it, it sucked. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. I hope you guys enjoy these types of videos. I sure as hell enjoy making them and even editing them. I even watch them myself when I go to bed and stuff because I'm weird. But thank you guys for watching. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next video, and peace out.